Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today I'm doing something completely different. I needed something other than knitting. So I went ahead and ordered this diamond painting coaster kit from Amazon. I'll put the link down in the description. It comes with this holder. It comes with 8 coasters, all different colors and diamond combinations. You can't see it, but if you get really close up, you can see letters and numbers, and that's how you follow the diamond painting. And here you can see the cork that you peel and stick on the back of it, and it makes a really fun coaster. Why did I get this? Well, it's almost springtime here, and I wanted something very sparkly and fun to put on my back patio. I'm a little addicted to coasters. I saw this and I grabbed it. It comes with the little wax that you put on your little adapter to place the diamonds on the coaster. And of course, everything comes bagged, labeled with the numbers or the letters, and that corresponds to the letters and the numbers on the actual coaster. And the quality of these gems are really good. For $13, this is a great project. I'm trying to get a little bit closer so you can actually see the letters and the numbers and how to follow the pattern. It takes a little organization. You need to find what you need for colors and the different diamonds. So I just jotted on a piece of paper the different colors and diamonds that I needed to do this. Grab a pair of scissors. Now, I've done diamond painting in the past, and I have a bunch of those little diamond trays. So I started off a little wonky at the beginning because you kind of forget what you have for supplies, especially when you start doing a lot of different projects. I haven't done diamond painting since we were in COVID 2020, 2021. So again, I'm just cutting the little packages, and I also have the little containers. I put those in after. I didn't film that. So here I am just spacing them out, figuring out what I need, and I'm just going to get organized. I decided I'm going to start from the middle and work my way out. I suggest that when you're doing these kind of diamond paintings, if you work from the outside in, sometimes the beads will be in the wrong spot and you'll be stuck. Now, you do need some glue. I happen to have some E6000 lying around. You just want to be really careful with this glue because it is very strong. I would think that any kind of craft glue or diamond glue will suffice, so make sure you pick that up if you decide to do this project. So I started out putting glue on the napkin. Again, you just have to kind of figure out what works for you. I grabbed an old paintbrush that I've used that's already not working from the glue that I've used in the past, and I just started small. I started in the middle, and I just placed the diamonds to see how it would go, and it went fairly quickly once you get going. I like this E6000 glue. I've used it for other diamond projects. I've done diamond tumblers, put diamond studs on a bunch of different things. Again, I love this glue. I can put the link below. Again, I've had this, so I don't know how much it is. I want to say it's maybe $11. I could be completely wrong. So I'm just going to work my way through. Make sure you have a good light. Sorry for the glare there. I'm going to work my way through, and I'm going to speed this up, and I will meet you back here after I've done pretty much most of the project. You don't need to listen to me as I change colors. I guess what I'll say is you just need to stay organized. At one point, I finally got up and remembered where I'd placed my empty diamond holders. Sorry for my head there in the frame as well. And again, this went fairly quickly. I got it done in an afternoon, and I am super excited to have these out in the sun, all sparkly. Okay, I'll see you back here in a few minutes. as I started to go through, I decided, you know what, I'm just going to put the glue on the project, do a little bit at a time. Again, this glue is very, very strong, so you want to use sparingly. Do not put a lot, otherwise you're going to run into trouble. And if you get it on your hands, I would grab some acetone to get it off. It's just like super glue. Coming to the end of the project, I'm just placing the last few diamonds around the coaster here. This looks so fun. I wish it registered better on camera. It's super sparkly, and this is in my art room. I can't wait to get these all done. I hope you like this tutorial. See you guys later.